Beep. Bob. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dade County until 9:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenfield, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stockton Lake, Greenfield, Dataville, and Bona. Precautionary/preparedness actions: remain alert for possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. & tornado. Possible hail threat. Radar indicated max hail size less than 75 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.